We have hosted the World Cup Under 17 in 2017 for boys. Next year, we are going to host the World Cup Under 17 for girls. These are very important developments for the future of Indian football, and I am happy not only as AIFF President, but I am also sitting on the AFC Asian Football Board. I sit on the FIFA board now as a member. So I am very confident that in India football is on the rise. A lot of people are very, very happy to see Indian football going in the right direction.
Sir, but what happens?
No privatization of football. These are leagues, and these leagues are happening with the full approval of AFC and FIFA. This is historically, whatever was the traditional way of football has to change at some time. Clubs also cannot sustain themselves without money. Please, your mask. And we have to bring in this kind because it's good for players, it's good for the clubs, it's good for the fans, and unless you have a healthy economic system for football, it will not survive in the long run. Now, we have integrated the ISL and the I-League also in a way where promotion and relegation will take place. It is no more a closed league. It was only a closed league for first few years. Now, 20. We have now Mohun Bagan and East Bengal have joined the ISL. Hopefully, Mr. Churchill will also get a good financial partner and be able to come into the ISL in near future. And from 2023 season, ISL club and I-League, both will have promotion relegation. So if the last club of ISL will get out and go to I-League, and I-League club will be promoted. So there is no problem now. In future, it is no more a closed league. I-League and ISL will coexist as League 1 and League 2.
Sir, but always there.
See, Dempo, Salgaonkar have anyway closed down their clubs.
Churchill is still there.
Dempo and Salgaonkar were part of the Goa FC earlier. And now it is their call. They have sold it to Mr. Modi. That is not for me to decide. As far as I am concerned, I want a club from Goa. And Goa FC is very much there and doing well. Churchill Brothers is a very old historical club. I wish Mr. Churchill all the best. And I also wish that in the near future, he is also able to rope in, because even Mohun Bagan and East Bengal, such old clubs, with such a large community base, they also had to bring financial partners. I would also urge Mr. Churchill to bring a financial partner and then be the next entrant into the ISL.
Will AIFF have...
AIFF cannot help anybody to bring a financial partner. AIFF is a governing body of football. We are not a commercial organization, but I can tell you as responsibly as AIFF President, football is in the right direction, and Goa will have very, very good future in the larger football pie of India.